Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is the best route? Like that's flatter, but then I mean, this looks pretty loose over here. See? Well, so
I
like
don't know that I'm man enough. Who is?
To do it, or well, and then we can maybe Matt, if you want to do it, then we can stay here by you,
Okay.
and then if,
we can always, you know, whoever's not confident,
catch
just
me?
kind of
yeah,
push it out.
Yeah.
No big
So
deal.
we're gonna do. Which way? What's your plan? Where are you planning on coming up?
I'm gonna try to go this way.
Okay, you're trying to go up this step.
that's what I think I'm gonna do
But I
too.
don't know.
Yeah.
That's slanted. It'll probably spin me
That's
out.
exactly what was my thought.
I wouldn't spec for that.
I can't go.
That's where I went.
Yeah,
Just ride it up here and we kind of slowly walk it, and after that it's fine.
Okay.
Let me put another rock right there. That's a pretty good spot too.
Going straight up the middle.
Here and we'll just kind of slowly
Yeah.
walk it up.
Oh.
Just I don't know. I was thinking like coming all the way over here.
It's a backup plan.
Get over in here and try and help. Or stay out of
Well, we'll just stay on both sides, Matt, and I just
I'm
say,
not happy about this.
well, just go for it. You got a bunch of people to spot, yeah.
I think right here is the problem. This little spin.
Actually,
I said I'm too old for this shit lately.
Go for it, Matt.
well, I know the feeling.
I think I'm going right up the middle.
You gonna go up the middle?
Yeah, I don't trust that slanted rock.
Okay.
That's what I say. Who knows where I'll end up?
Well, you know the bike does have a little input in this.
And then some random rocks that you're gonna run into will have input.
Yeah, it throws you about 3 feet off where you thought you was going to be.
I don't know if that helps, but
All right. Well,
I'm gonna go up the middle. I'm gonna try to go up the middle. Somebody stand on that side.
okay.
That's where I went.
Well, who knows? I may even make it that far.
One wheel went up and then lost.
You can do it, Matt.
I wonder if we should move that weight like this.
Come to the Jeep.
Anybody else think that is my line? Yeah!
All right.
Yeah.
Cut it off. Cut it off. Cut it off.
Yeah, I think
When you shut it off, we'll just
Kill it.
I can put it in the
kill it.
gear.
Muscle it.
No, I was going to put it in
Your
the gear.
crankcase.
Shit. Well,
Is that crankcase or is that
I
gas?
think it's gas.
No.
It smells like it.
yeah, it's crankcase.
Piece of crap. Well,
I'm done. Jesus Christ.
There's only one way to go with this bike, I guess.
yep. Well,
Hold on. Yeah, the worst part is you made it look easy.
yeah, it's that 650, man. And the Rekluse clutch. It's a combo. You went way over there and you followed it.
Yeah, I split my crankcase open that.
What?
I'm done. Now that you made it up.
Craig?
Hold on. Grab the phone.
One more.
One more.
Okay.
Craig, what happened?
Got on top of that rock and got sideways.
Lay it on the rock.
Split your crankcase in half?
Yeah, hit it on the rock and